The name Spax and how we came up with it is we took the first 3 letters of the German word Spanplattenschraube. It means wood screw, chipboard screw. Alton Lobrinck & Company US Inc. is part of the Alton Lobrinck & Co. group. It is globally represented. We are a manufacturer with almost 200 years of experience. Spax is our brand of premium, high-quality fasteners, German engineered and American made.
It's actually made right here in the United States, made in Bryan, Ohio, and it's a brand that you can actually count on. You get a product with commitment to manufacturing, commitment to quality, and commitment to a value that you get when you buy the box. We've got the gamut covered when it comes to any wood-to-wood connection, either cabinetry, light carpentry work, all the way up to heavy carpentry. The multi-head, it's a countersinking feature, patented and designed by Spax. The serrated threads, designed like a knife blade, cut the wood fiber versus displacing it. The forecut, in conjunction with the serrations, allows you to get closer to the edge and eliminate splitting. This is what this screw does.
We pride ourselves to build and further develop strong partnerships and relationships with a lot of passion and commitment. That's just what we stand for. That's what makes us different from a lot of other competitors. We're going to be there for you, and we're still going to support you after the sale.
We want to go by our slogan, which is Spax, do it once, do it right.